Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. These are general awareness questions of economics and finance important for RBI and SEBI exam. But most important thing for you is you need BPDF from iExamB. That will give you the complete knowledge. And while doing these questions, I would suggest you to jot down the important point and your performance in these questions. Please don't forget to share this video and like this. First question is, which of the following is not correct about the bad bank which was in news recently? So let me take you to the news about the bad bank, and that is how you have to read newspaper thoroughly, especially about the important news related to finance and economy. IBA submits proposal on bad bank to government RBI. IBA is the Indian Banks Association. So it has submitted a proposal to RBI and Finance Ministry for setting up of a bad bank for approximately 75,000 crore net worth of NPAs. NPAs, you know, non-performing assets. These are the bad loans in the books of the bank. So they have requested, IBA has requested to government to provide 10,000 crore rupees initial capital to set up a bank. This recommendation is based on the recommendation of Sashakt panel, which is headed by Sunil Mehta, who was PNB chairman that time. And the idea is this bad bank, which will be set up in the form of ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company. Asset Reconstruction Companies are still there. Actually, if I tell you more about this news, Chief Economic Advisor Dr. Subramaniam, he has said that what is the need of this. But okay, first let us study what is bad bank. So the idea is in this form, ARC form, it will be fully owned by the government. And in this news also mentioned that Rajneesh Kumar is also the chairman of IBA. Rajneesh Kumar is SBI chairman. As it is expected that banks NPA will further increase because of the economic problem now, so this bad bank may be helpful in recovery and taking out the bad loans from the books of the bank to a different company which can help in the recovery. That is the idea of bad bank. If you ask detailed guidelines, nobody has, because this is just an idea right now. So from these options, all of the above are correct. This is a financial institution that take risky assets, and this proposal is for setting up a bad bank by IBA and Sunil Mehta committee. We discussed that there is no bad bank in India today. There are ARCs. This you have to remember. For RBI, this can be an interesting question. This is the time you have to build your career. Sitting at home, you are helping in making life safe for you and your family member, and also utilizing your time for building your career. So participate in this campaign. For more details regarding the competition and the cash prizes, please visit at the website. In September 19, government reduced corporate tax rate for existing companies from 30% to. You may say this is an old news, why I am asking now? That you have to be careful, because this tax rate is still applicable. It is 22%. This is September 19 news, that corporate tax rate has been reduced to 22% from 30% earlier for existing companies, and for new manufacturing companies it is reduced to 15% from 25% earlier. At that time the idea was to encourage corporates for setting up businesses. But be very careful if in the exam the question asks you the effective tax rate, because including some surcharges and cess. And by the way, do you know what is the difference between tax and cess? Write in the comment below. Understanding of this concept is much more important. Just remembering the data I am telling you. So this 25% and 35% also you have to know. And this is the latest article where I read this. Change in labor laws or tax rate will not help. That is what the article is saying, because government reduced this last year September, but still it has not boosted like lot of investment coming up now, because government has changed labor laws. Must be reading this news. It started with UP government, MP government, then many state government has now made hiring and firing easy, so that it becomes easy for the corporate to employ people. We know a lot of job losses are happening because of the problems in the corporate sector, problem in industries in this COVID-19 situation. Nokia shut down its plant and moved out of the Chennai after the local government slapped a fine of 2,400 crore sales tax. So the article is basically saying government has to do beyond just changing the laws. The intent in our government is still like tax terrorism. For example, in e-commerce, rules have been amended constantly. Telecom regulations have favored one company to the extent of nearly bankrupting others. We know what is happening to Airtel and Voda. Many have already shut the door. So the article is saying Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh may believe that they have rolled out the red carpet, but there are only few who will be interested. That is what the article is saying. Such interference by the government is unwarranted if we want FDI flows and we want our exports to grow. Who launches Kisan Sabha app to connect farmers to supply chain transportation management system? Very straightforward question. Here the answer is CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Next question is Government of India and ADB, Asian Development Bank, signs 100 million loan agreement to expand sewage and drainage coverage in which city? Again, a straightforward question. This answer is Kolkata. Fifth question is Hema Bharali passed away. Who was she? In RBI exam, you may find this type of question. You have these 5 options here, and she was a freedom fighter. Not to get confused with footballer Chunni Goswami, who also passed away. Hema Bharali is from Assam. Who has been appointed the head of USA cricket national team? So if we are asking this question, you can guess that he must be an Indian, but here options are also confusing. His name is J. Arun Kumar. This is the news, and he is a former Karnataka cricketer now settled in US. President Donald Trump has nominated Indian American as his envoy to OECD. And as I asked you what is CES, different from text, similarly you shall know what is OECD. The answer here is Manisha Singh. And see this news, Donald Trump nominates Indian American Manisha Singh as OECD ambassador. So this name itself is good enough for the exam purpose, but at the same time when you read it, you find out then some additional information like what is OECD. It is written, it is 36 member countries organization to stimulate economic growth, economic progress and world trade. All big strong economies are there in OECD. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, and headquartered is in Swimming World Championship scheduled for summer 21 in Japan has been pushed back until. The correct answer to this is May 2022. RBI suspended operations of which cooperative bank? License is cancelled. It is in news. The answer here is CKP Cooperative Bank, and after this cancellation of the license, depositors to get rupees 5 lakh as per the guarantee under DICGC. We have been covering this news. This limit has been increased last year. Earlier the deposit insurance amount was only 1 lakh rupees. The depositors who have put money in this bank are going to get only that 5 lakh rupees back. And you also get to know with this news that DICGC also covers your deposit in cooperative bank. If you have to advise somebody whether to keep money in cooperative bank or not, what will you do? You will say yes, keep money in cooperative bank but not more than 5 lakh rupees, right? It is a Mumbai based bank. RBI cancelled its license. This is important. Renowned poet K.S. Nisar Ahmad died. He was poet of which language? Again, straightforward question. He is Kannada poet, awarded Padma Shri in 2008. Railway Ministry had decided to run a special type of train to move migrant work, other pilgrims, tourists or students from one place to other place, as many of them are stranded at different places. You have to tell the name of this train. These are the 5 options here, and write the name in the comment below in the YouTube. You participate, you learn more. Don't forget to subscribe the channel right now. Press the bell icon. Remember, exam है तो exam भी है.